Mike and Laura. This is Eric from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Just wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by on Saturday, taking a look at the GLE 450. Wanted to make a video for you here on this car. This is the one that you were interested in. Ireland Mid Green metallic exterior. And this one has the Macchiato Beige interior. GLE 450s come standard with a 3-liter inline 6 mild hybrid, and also comes standard with the AMG line. So you do get the AMG line grill here, bumpers up front, and you do get the driver's assist pack in this car as well. So you do get the radar cruise control with steer assist. It'll help you take gentle corners. The speed limit assist, so it'll show you the speed limit in the dash. Active blind spot, active lane keep as well. LED headlights with automatic high beams and sensors all around the car, 360 cameras. This vehicle does come with the 21-inch multi-spokes, and as part of the AMG line, you do get painted wheel arches as opposed to the plastic cladding. You do get the illuminated running boards here on this car as well. Now, one thing I do want to point is that this car does have soft closed doors as well. So to kind of demonstrate that, all you need to do is bring the door up to the frame of the car, and the car does the rest. That's on all 4 doors here. In the interior, you do get heated rear seats. This also has the exclusive trim, so heated vented front seats and the Burmester sound system, illuminated door sills here as well. Sorry. Coming over to the trunk, you do get a plethora of space back here. The trunk is height adjustable, so if you have a lower garage, you can program it to open it to a certain height. You can also lock the vehicle from here as well, and the seats are all folding as well. You can fold just the middle row if you need to load hockey equipment, if you need to load baseball equipment, skis, whatever the case may be. Coming over to the front here, you'll find the heated vented front seat options here. You can also control the passenger seat from the driver's seat as well. Brown open pore wood trim, so there's a grain to it, which is quite nice. Panoramic sunroof, heated steering wheel as part of the winter pack, so you also get the heated washer system. Macchiato Beige MB Tex, which looks, smells, and acts just like leather. You wouldn't know the difference if I didn't tell you. You do also, some of the standard features in the interior here, you do get wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You also get wireless charging and a myriad of other features, but I'd love to have you come take this car out for a test drive, or if you want, we can work a deal on this car. Again, this is Eric, 207-510-2258. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.